Okay, so how was the workout today?
It was too intense. I can't do anything
You
more.
went to dance? What?
No, it was too intense.
Oh, too intense.
Too intense.
Oh, so why? Are you sweating?
Because I'm hanging on the wall without any support and taking my core support.
I think I understood that. I'm hiding on the wall and I'm taking my cords
Core
apart.
support, yeah.
What cords?
Core.
Oh, core.
Core support.
Okay, so it's burning.
It's crying, it's yelling, it's burning, it's doing everything.
It's doing everything. She got to be on stage. You go, girl.
Good girl. You don't want me to talk.
Squeeze. Just squeeze. Okay, so what kind of workouts today?
It was really intense.
Why? What happened?
It was Friday.
Can I hold you from down?
Oh.
It's, what is it, SBF?
What's Friday? What do we call it?
All right, ready? One,
Who?
2, 3.
Super Burn Friday.
Take your hands.
SBF. So remember that.
Don't.
So how we doing? We feel the workout?
Yes!
How you feel, Yams?
Oh my goodness!
Goodness, God is here. He hasn't left you. You feel the burn?
Yes!
How come you're sweaty? What's going on? So on a scale of 1 to 10, ladies, guy, what did we do in this workout? Did we enjoy ourselves?
Of course we do.
To the peaks.
Did I burn you, torture you, train you?
It was a super burn today.
Super burn?
Super burn Friday.
Okay, Super Burn Friday.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go on our abs. Let's go.